News now of the movements by the state and one private sector company to dispose of problematic tires at Riverton Dump in St. Andrew. The tires are often at the center of multiple health-threatening fires. As TVJ's Kalisha Williams now reports, the government is insisting that the tires will be disposed of in an environmentally friendly way.
A plan by Carbon Cement Company to convert old tires at the Riverton City landfill to energy.
We'll be able to eliminate all tires in Riverton between 3 and 5 years. We are committed to the success of this project because it's good to the environment, the health, and the safety of Jamaicans.
But the initiative raised its own set of environmental concerns. CEO of the Jamaica Environment Trust, Susan Stanley, told TVJ News on the weekend that she would be keeping a close watch on the project. Among the questions she raised, what technology will be used in processing the old tires in order to minimize air pollution? How will the tires be transported from Riverton? And how will they be stored to stave off pests and possible fires? On Monday, during the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the government and Carib Cement, Prime Minister Andrew Holness provided clarification.
They have already tested to establish that the kiln can incinerate at very high temperatures without much waste and toxins being put into the environment. So that part of it is established. Now we have to establish the logistics. Can we successfully load the tires at the dump site, fill trucks with them, move them to the kiln, and what will be the challenges faced?
To ensure that there will be a test run.
So the MOU that we're signing today creates that test environment where for the next 40 days, the NSWMA will supply Carib Cement with 5 truckloads of used tires per day.
It's estimated that between 1.5 to 2 million tires are at the Riverton City landfill. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.